How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can print objects bigger than your print area in Bambu Studio. So it will indicate this color change if our model is too big. So in order to fix this, we are going to use the cut function. And basically from here, you can then position your cut. So let's just click on cut. Click on add connectors in order to make things easier when connecting them back together. And of course, you can place multiple connectors if you want to. And basically from there, just click on the confirm connectors, perform cut, and then you will split the objects into two. So head over to objects, and then you want to make sure to save first or save one part as an STL file. Right click on it, click on the export as one STL, because as of right now, we are going to delete this. And then we are only going to print one part of our objects. So just print this out normally, delete this, and then you want to bring back the first part where we have saved it. And then from there, just print it normally, and you have successfully printed them together. So let's use another example, and let's say that our objects is quite long horizontally. So from here, what you can do is to use the same thing with the cut function, but this time I'm going to cut it in the middle. I'm going to add another connectors to, of course, make things easier. And then let's click on perform cut. So from there, you can go ahead and see our objects being cut together. What you can do is to use another function called delay on face. Click the lower part of your object, and basically it will then make it standing up. So the only thing left to do is to position this normally, click on slice plate, print it normally, and there you have it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.